Hi, my name is Ashish and I welcome you to the part 4 of this video series. This is the project that we're working on to deploy a NODEJS web app on AWS. So let me just log on to the portal and take it from there where we left in the last section. Thank you. So we deployed the web application, the code, we uploaded the code by our web app is running perfectly fine as of now. We have different pages. In here, we signed up, we checked the entry in the DynamoDB table. It is still under verification. We also checked the simple notification service. We only have one topic. It says now we have to create a DynamoDB table. So table name would be this, primary email would be this. To create a table, open up the table page. We go to the table page under the DynamoDB section of the AWS. Perfect. It says choose create table, type a table name and primary key. So this is the table name that we'll type, create table, table name, primary key is email, primary key type would be string. Nice. Table settings, add tags, choose create. As simple as that. Our table is getting created. Let's see what it says now. Update the application configuration file. Update the configuration file in the application source to use the new one. To update the application for production, you will extract the project file from the source bundle. Okay, let me just do that. Okay, I've extracted that. Now I will make a directory which would be called NODEJS-tutorial. Perfect. I'm gonna go inside that directory. It says unzip the download. I have already unzipped it. I'm gonna copy and paste it here. Give me a minute. Okay, now as per the documentation, it says open up this file options.config and change the values of the following settings. Okay, I'm inside option. I'll use Notepad++. Change the value. My email gmail.com and the region would be start sign up table NODEJS-tutorial that we created. Where is the table? Let me copy it. P to Ashish Arora at gmail.com and my table new tutorial. Perfect. I'm going to save it, close it, go back. To configure the application to use this table instead of the created. So we will be using our table that we created here, this one. Remove the EB extensions config. I'm on the same directory. Let's see if this works. NODEJS tutorial, man. Remove .db extensions, create DynamoDB will be deleted. Okay, I would have to do it manually. Table con. Okay, so next time I deploy this application, the table would be deleted. Create a source bundle. I'm gonna zip this file of this root folder, send to compress zip folder, tutorial.zip. It is done. And under Ashish Arora. Okay, you can do it through the command line. Now we'll go back to the Elastic tutorial. I'll say upload and deploy. Browse. It's under C users Arora. Forgot the name. .js tutorial. And I click on deploy. Perfect. This has been deployed, but the state is showing as yellow. Let's see if we are able to browse it again. Elastic Beanstalk, its gateway health instances are not healthy. So I just wanted to show you in different part series how you can deploy it and how you can change the code and how you can do it. So if you say health, if you want to really dig into it, instance actions. You can reboot them, you can terminate them. It would reboot the instances behind the load balancers. And before we end this, please don't forget to clear the stack. You can also configure your environment for high availability. After that, we'll do the cleanup. Choose configuration, you exit out of it. You can choose configuration. Instances, you can click on modify under instances and do micro group name actions configuration. In the capacity configuration, I'm sorry, refresh it. In the capacity, click on here. Minimum 1, you can do minimum 2. Availability zone, you can choose any. You can set the scaling triggers 1. When you scroll down, scale up increment 2, 2, okay, 2. Elastic Beanstalk is updating my environment, and herein you can update it. So this was the part 4, and I'll see you in the next section. Please do not forget to subscribe and subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you. Bye-bye.